Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toy weed eater is probably one of the most fun and engaging toys for kids who love to mimic outdoor activities. These toy weed eaters offer a fantastic way for children to role-play and learn about lawn care in a safe and imaginative environment. With various designs and features, these toys provide endless hours of entertainment while promoting creativity and physical activity. Let's dive into the world of toy weed eaters and discover what makes them so special. Number 5. Toy CHOI'S Trimmer, Power Construction Kids Toy. This toy trimmer is designed to look and function just like a real garden trimmer. It features a green LED light and realistic sound effects, making playtime more engaging. This helps spark kids' imaginations. The trimmer is made with a TPR rubber head, which is safe for kids and environmentally friendly. It's also durable and designed to withstand lots of use. This ensures it will last through many play sessions. We've included fun accessories like goggles and axes to enhance the play experience. These accessories help children develop hand-eye coordination and observation skills. They add to the fun and imaginative play. The trimmer's head rotates 90 degrees, and it has telescopic buttons to extend its working range. This provides hours of safe and fun imaginative play. It allows them to pretend and explore different scenarios. Please note that the trimmer requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. Make sure to have batteries ready so they can start playing right away. This ensures uninterrupted fun for the kids. What we like. This toy trimmer features a TPR rubber head, ensuring safety and durability. The head rotates 90 degrees and has telescopic buttons to extend its working range. If you are looking for a toy that encourages imaginative play and provides a realistic gardening experience, this is a great choice for your kids. What people say. The leaf blower actually blows air, which makes pretend play much more realistic and fun. The blower was smaller than I imagined originally, but no less fun for my 2 and 5-year-olds. The leaf blower actually works, and it also comes with a mask, goggles, saw, and measuring tape. Number 4. Husqvarna Toy Trimmer for Kids. Introducing the Husqvarna Toy Trimmer. It looks and sounds just like the real thing. This toy is perfect for any young aspiring landscaper. Looking for a great gift? This toy weed whacker is a fantastic choice. It's sure to bring a smile to their face. This toy features lights and realistic sounds. It mimics the actions of a real weed eater, making playtime even more fun. Built to last, this toy is made with high-quality materials. It's designed for years of play, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. This toy is perfect for kids ages 3 and up. It's a great way for them to engage in imaginative play and learn. What we like. This toy weed whacker makes realistic weed eater sounds and movements. It is built with high-quality construction, ensuring it will last for years of play. If you want a toy that provides a realistic experience for your young landscaper, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The sound effects are very real. It is well built and sturdy enough. The head spins well and has soft silicone tips that stop quickly if it meets much resistance. Number 3. Sunny Days Maxx Action Weed Trimmer. This toy weed trimmer is designed to look just like the real thing. It features a rotating plastic blade and an adjustable arm, giving kids a realistic landscaping experience. The toy comes with realistic sound effects and lights. When you pull the trigger, you'll hear the sound of the trimmer starting up, and the lights will turn on. Kids aged 5 and up can enjoy hours of imaginative fun with this toy. They can pretend to be gardeners and explore their creativity. The weed trimmer is made of high-quality, durable materials. It's designed with safety in mind, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. It is a great gift for toddlers. This toy tool can help them to learn about gardening. What we like. This toy weed trimmer has a pretend plastic blade that really rotates when you pull the trigger. It also features realistic startup sounds and lights up green. If you like a toy that offers a realistic and engaging experience for your kids, this one is designed with safety in mind. What people say. The weed eater toy is a great size for toddlers. It is very lightweight and easy for my 2-year-old to carry around. The string is a nice touch and adds to the realism. Number 2. CHOI'S 6-piece power gardening set. This 6-piece set encourages children to spend more time outdoors. It helps them engage with nature and learn about gardening basics in a fun way. The set includes a lawn mower, chainsaw, weed trimmer, leaf blower, goggles, and gloves. These tools spark your child's imagination and creativity. It requires 10 AA batteries, which are not included. Reactive buttons bring realism to playtime. The leaf blower blows air, the weed whacker blade rotates, and the saw moves. All these tools have accompanying sounds. This set fosters fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It also helps with problem solving and introduces STEM learning and social skills. It's an excellent educational tool. Constructed with safe plastic materials, this set has smooth edges. It meets or exceeds federal safety requirements. It's a fantastic choice for early learners. What we like. This set includes a weed trimmer, leaf blower, chainsaw, and more, encouraging kids to spend more time outdoors. The reactive buttons bring realism to playtime with accompanying sounds. If you are looking for a comprehensive set that fosters fine motor skills and outdoor play, this is a fantastic choice for early learners. What people say. The lights and sounds really grab his attention. It actually moves tiny, lightweight, leaves and pieces of grass. The weed whacker makes an orange light as it whirls around. The chainsaw and the goggles and gloves are definitely a hit. We will take twigs and have him cut them as we snap them in half. He thinks it is the best thing since cheese sticks. Number 1. 20V Weed Whacker and Leaf Blower Combo. This combo includes a weed whacker and a leaf blower, both powered by a 20V system. It comes with two 2Ah batteries and a charger, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. This tool is a multi-combo, including a weed eater, a leaf blower, and an edger. It simplifies your yard work with multiple functions in one package. The tools feature an ergonomic design, making them easy to handle. Starting the leaf blower or adjusting the trimmer is effortless, even for beginners. The trimmer pole shaft extends from 37.7 inches up to 47 inches. This allows users of different heights to comfortably use the trimmer. The string trimmer operates at 7,500 RPM, easily cutting through various weeds. It makes trimming your yard a breeze. The leaf blower delivers an air speed of 134 miles per hour with an air volume of 65 CFM. It helps you quickly clear leaves and debris. What we like. This combo includes a weed eater, leaf blower, and edger, all designed with intuitive, ergonomic designs. The trimmer pole shaft extends to meet different height needs. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use tool set for yard work, this is the perfect choice, even for beginners. What people say. I was skeptical about purchasing a battery-operated brush cutter, but was pleasantly surprised and impressed with this tool's power. The batteries last several hours. The trimmer itself works good for regular grass lawns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.